Hi guys, it's Brittany with Braid Knot Fibers, and today I'm going to show you how to create the magic circle, aka the magic ring. I'm going to be using the Susan Bates Q 16mm hook and this 4mm single twist cotton cord. So today, at the time of this recording, it is February 8th, 2021, and I am releasing my very first crochet pattern. It's the Cotton and Jute Crochet Boho Basket, and I will be offering a free video tutorial here on YouTube, and we'll also have a paid version of this pattern, which will be ever so slightly different with a little bit of a more complex stitch, and that will be available on Etsy and Ravelry. This basket is super cute, super trendy, and easy to make, and I'll be sure to list both the pattern and the tutorial in the description box below. So coming back in with our 4mm single twist cotton cord, you just want to drape the tail of the cord in the palmar side of your hand, wrapping it around your index and middle finger. Continue bringing the cord around so that it crosses over itself, creating an X, and securing it by holding it between your ring and pinky fingers. I do recommend leaving at least a 6-inch tail. You should now have a front cord and a back cord, and with our 16mm hook, we're going to insert that hook under the first loop closest to our fingertips and grab the second loop, pulling it under the first and bringing it up with a slight twist, as you can see here. Now we're going to use our hook to grab the cord that's being held between our index and pinky fingers and pull it through the loop on our hook as to slip stitch it to secure our magic circle. Now we can tighten up and adjust our cord as necessary for proper tension, and at this point you would place any chains if your pattern calls for it. Other than that, we're ready to place our stitches. As you're placing your stitches, be sure that when inserting your hook inside of the magic ring that you also crochet around the tail, going around both of those cords so that the magic ring functions properly. As you're placing your stitches, be sure to use the ring and or the tail to adjust as necessary for stitch placement. Once all of your stitches are placed, slip stitch to join in the top of that first stitch if your pattern calls for it, and then you can use the tail hanging in the back to tighten up your magic circle or magic ring. As a matter of fact, leave a comment below letting me know which term you prefer to use. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to drop a comment below letting me know which term you prefer to use, magic circle or magic ring, and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you can be notified when my Cotton and Jute Crochet Boho Basket tutorial goes live. My new pattern launching today will be available in both Etsy and Ravelry and can be found linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!